So the reason the camera's way up there is I wanted you all to get a look at what I've been working on for the last couple of months. It's my work table. It's ready to be epoxy resined at this point, I think. Pretty much everything is done. Maybe a little more fine tuning. I don't know. Anyway, BAM Gamer for March. Sorry, I had already opened it because, anyway, and I messed up. But I haven't gotten very far. All I've done was pulled out the pin, so let's see if I can make this work again. So the pin is Mega Man. Hopefully you can see that. It's a nice pin. I like it. It's cute. Next thing we've got in here, scratch card. Still haven't done some of those from last time yet, so I should probably do that. Ooh, card looks good. So this is the art card. Fan art card. Unique sketch. I think this is... I can't remember the name of the game, but I think I know this one. It's a cute card, a cool card. I think I know that in the name of it, but we'll look at the explanation card when we get to it. Now we're to the prop replica. It looks cool, whatever this prop replica is. I don't think I know what this one is, but wow. That's really awesome. So it's a... I think it's like a compass thing. I'm not sure what it's from, but I like it. I like it a lot, and I'm sure I'll find out what it's from. It's very, very intricate and ornate. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. This camera, I swear to God. Okay, so now we're down to the photo and the print. So let's get a look and see what we've got. Oh, the Fox one. I can't remember this game. Star Fox, I think is what that is. Signature up here is nice. I really like this. I really like this art print. Of course, I always like the BAM box art prints. They're awesome. It's a good one. And then the photo print, which I think in video games is always an art print anyway, but Maya from... I don't remember the game that she's from, but that's awesome. That's also very cool. All right, let's get to the cards so that I can explain some of these things that I don't know what they are. What is this? Featured celebrity, Martha Harms, voice actor, known... I bet she's got to be from Borderlands, because she's... wait, no. Known for Borderlands, Pokemon, Walking Dead. I think that's a character from Borderlands. BAM Box presents Gamer Monthly giveaway. Friday the 13th NES game signed by Kane Woodar. How do I win? So this is a giveaway. I haven't won it yet, but anyway. So the featured celebrity was the Maya, I think. So I'll put that over there. Let's read through what everything is. Okay, celebrity autograph. Anyone need a siren on their side? We couldn't wait to bring you Martha Harms, who voices our favorite siren Maya in Borderlands. So it's a Borderlands character. Collector's pin from everybody's favorite 80s bionic hero Mega Man. I nailed that one. Artist gallery, cruising through your favorite geometric shapes to battle Andros. Artist Cody James brings Star Fox to life using his signature ballpoint pen style. Ooh, I like the ballpoint pen style. It's awesome. The prop item is from Tomb Raider. From Tomb Raider lore. Comes a replica coin based on the Clock of Ages. I thought I recognized that. That's very cool. Replica coin based on the Clock of Ages. I like that. That'll make a really good necklace. Okay. And then the The artist select card, Castlevania. I couldn't remember. Castlevania. That's what the card is from. The game that made you throw your NES controller across the room. I wouldn't know. I don't think I played Castlevania until it came to the Dreamcast. Was Castlevania on the Dreamcast? I know I played it a little bit on the Xbox, but I think it was on Dreamcast at one point too. So yeah, March Bambox. Did I get any one-ups? No, the Mega Man pin is the normal pin. The Maya print's the normal print. The card is the normal card. And the ballpoint pen style sketch is the Star Fox instead of the other one. So they're all generic. It's good. They're still numbered. They're still collectors. That was Box Gamer for March.